Windows are an essential part of your home, providing security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. However, when windows become outdated or damaged, delaying their replacement can lead to a range of hidden costs that many homeowners in DC and Tysons may not initially consider. If you've been postponing window replacement, here's why you might end up paying more in the long run. Higher energy bills. One of the most significant costs of delaying window replacement is the increase in energy bills. Older windows often have poor insulation, allowing drafts and temperature fluctuations to impact your indoor climate. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to excessive energy consumption and higher utility bills. New energy-efficient windows provide better insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round while reducing your energy expenses. Increased maintenance costs. As windows age, they require more frequent maintenance. Wood frames may rot, paint may peel, and seals can crack, leading to costly repairs. Regular patchwork maintenance can add up over time, making it more expensive than simply replacing the windows altogether. By installing new, low-maintenance windows, you eliminate the need for constant repairs and upkeep. Decreased home value. In a competitive real estate market like DC and Tysons, the condition of your windows can impact your home's resale value. Potential buyers often view old, worn-out windows as a sign of neglect and may use them as leverage to negotiate a lower price. Investing in window replacement not only improves curb appeal but also increases your home's market value, making it a more attractive option for prospective buyers. Risk of structural damage. Damaged or inefficient windows can allow moisture to seep into your home, leading to mold growth, wood rot, and even foundation issues. Water infiltration is a serious problem that can compromise the structural integrity of your home, resulting in expensive repairs. Addressing window issues promptly prevents further damage and protects your investment. Compromised security. The old and deteriorating windows pose a security risk, making your home more vulnerable to break-ins. Weak locks, cracked frames, and worn-out seals create easy entry points for intruders. Modern replacement windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and reinforced frames, providing better security for your home and peace of mind for your family. Reduced comfort and indoor air quality. The windows with poor insulation can lead to uncomfortable indoor temperatures, making some rooms too hot in the summer and too cold in the winter. Additionally, drafts and air leaks can bring in dust, allergens, and pollutants, affecting the indoor air quality. Upgrading to new windows with tight seals and superior insulation improves comfort and helps maintain a healthier indoor environment. Lack of noise reduction. If you live in a busy area of DC or Tysons, old windows might not effectively block outside noise. New double or triple pane windows with soundproofing technology can significantly reduce noise pollution, making your home a more peaceful and enjoyable place to live. Missed incentives and rebates. Many homeowners overlook available rebates and tax incentives for energy-efficient window upgrades. Delaying replacement might mean missing out on these savings, as programs and offers frequently change. Replacing your windows now could qualify you for financial incentives that reduce the upfront cost of your investment. Conclusion. While it may seem cost-effective to delay window replacement, the hidden costs add up over time. Higher energy bills, increased maintenance expenses, security risks, structural damage, and decreased home value all contribute to long-term financial strain. Investing in high-quality, energy-efficient windows now can save you money, enhance comfort, and improve the overall value of your home. If you're considering window replacement in DC or Tysons, don't wait. Contact a trusted professional today to discuss your options and start reaping the benefits of new windows.